Hey, what's up, guys? Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In our channel SC38, we bring out different kind of development ideas and ABAP updates which we get from SAP, and we'll explain you all the things in easy terms. So we wanted to make a series on different ABAP versions: 7.4, 7.5, 7.54. This is the first installment of the first series. The first series is on ABAP 7.4 quick reference. So we expect a 3-episode series on this. So this is the first one about 7.4. So if you like it, please do subscribe and like this video if you feel the content is interesting and you can use it for your career, and you can share with your ABAP developer colleagues. So let's begin. On the very first slide, we can see as the inline declaration things are the new thing in the ABAP development environment. The inline declaration is such a thing that we used to use a separate data statement for every case. Now we don't need a separate data statement for all the data declaration. We can do it on the exact line where we are using the variable, or we can assign it on the code. So this is reducing a straight line, the first data declaration line on the left side. Similarly, in a loop statement, we had to declare data for the work area and then use it. Now we can do the data declaration on the loop line itself, and it saves you one data statement. For calling a method, you have to declare two data and then take the importing variables in that. Now you don't need to. You can directly call the method, and inside the importing parameter, the variables you can declare right away with the data statement. Loop at assigning a field symbol maybe. Earlier we had to create a field symbol explicitly, then we use it in the loop statement. Now we don't need to do that. We just go with a loop at item, assigning field dash symbol, and inside the braces you can mention the field symbol name. Whatever field symbol name you mention in the braces, you can use it in the loop. As an example, for read assigning, when you have to declare a field symbol. This type also, just like the loop, you can directly do read table, then internal table, then assigning field symbol with the field symbol in the braces after that. Select into table. Earlier we used to do data declaration, then select star from table, table name into internal table name where condition. Now we can directly do like select star from the table name into table, internal table, which we can declare right away with the @ statement, @ data in braces variable name, where we can write the condition where statement. And similarly with select single, we can declare the structure into data statement. For read table, it's huge change. Earlier we used to write read table index this into work area. We can right away say it like work area equals to internal table in braces index in third brace. It's simple index number. It will right away read the index number variable from the internal table. Similarly, using a key to read from internal table using a key, it's just that you have to write the work area, then equals the internal table, then the brace. Inside the brace you can write the key and the key name, and then index and the index number. You can do read table with the key, like two key fields you have, or two key variable field you can check with work area equals to internal table name in braces, the field names you need to check. Then about read table with key components, you can write work area equals internal table in the braces key, keyword key, and then key name, then column 1, column 2, whatever variable you have. To check the record exists or not, you can, earlier we had to read the table transporting no fields and then check the record exists or not. This time we have a method line underscore exists. In braces you can pass the internal table with the conditions. It will simply give you a boolean result whether it exists or not. To get the table index, you can simply declare a variable having italics, and the number where you get the value, and then in the line index method, inside the line index method you can pass the internal table with the conditions. This makes your work half. Another new thing which came in 7.4 is CUNV. CUNV is a variable we used to explicitly convert. Earlier we had to declare two types of variable, get in one, then move it to other, then pass it to the method. This time we can directly pass a variable, convert it on the explicit line with the CUNV keyword, and then it can be passed, and the return data can be taken in an explicit data statement. This reduces your work all the way. And the last thing in today's episode would be reduce statement. Earlier we had to check a condition in the internal table. We had to run a loop and check until the condition is matched. We had to do 4 lines at least. Now we can write the data declaration variable which will take the index where it matches, and then you can reduce the number of I is the total number of records present, and then initiate a x equals to 0. That starts the loop, and the work area will go into the loop until the condition arrives. If the condition is not arrived, the next statement, here it is x equals to x plus 1, is executed. So it again reduces our work to much fold. So this was it for this episode. We'll bring multiple episodes on 7.4. Keep watching our YouTube channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe our channel and like our video and share with your development colleagues. See you on the next video. Bye bye.